Venturing into the realm beyond our reach, drones unveil sights unseen by the ordinary eye, capturing moments that hover on the edge of the extraordinary. These unassuming flying observers have revealed the eerie and the uncanny, unveiling the mysterious and chilling facets of our world. Today we embark on a journey through the lens of these remarkable drones, as they unveil 7 of the most spine-tingling and captivating scenes that have left us both astonished and intrigued. Number 1. Scary shark hunt. Sharks have held their official reputation for being scary since 1975, but the level of eerie captured by drone footage from the Discovery Channel takes that fright to a whole new level. A team of researchers utilized a drone to film sharks from an aerial perspective, shedding light on their predatory prowess. In the footage, a shark is observed preparing for what it does best: hunting. The drone captures the shark on the hunt for seals, which typically seek refuge near the shore's rocks. However, due to a high tide, the shark gains an advantage in maneuvering around the rocks, setting the stage for a marine predator's lunchtime spectacle. A seal, seemingly unaware of the imminent danger, swims directly toward the lurking shark, resulting in a swift and brutal attack. The water turns crimson as the shark secures its meal, shaking the seal with a mix of efficiency and power. While the experts assure us that the seal was likely deceased before the attack, the entire sequence serves as a stark reminder of nature's unforgiving realities. The chilling aspect lies in the animal's lack of awareness that they were being observed, adding an official touch of scariness to the shark's already fearsome reputation. Number 2. Indian man trapped on the cliffside for 2 days. In the midst of what should have been an adventure to remember, a young man named Babu found himself in a harrowing ordeal that transformed a fun trek into a nightmarish struggle for survival. While attempting to conquer Charade Hill with his companions, Babu slipped and became trapped on a sheer vertical face of an isolated canyon. His friends tried various methods, from wooden sticks to ropes, to free him, but their efforts were in vain. Drone footage captured his precarious position in the cliff's cleft, where he endured scorching heat, harsh winds, and chilling cold. Stranded without food or water and facing the specter of wild animals, Babu's plight remained dire despite multiple rescue attempts. It wasn't until the intervention of the chief minister and the Indian army that the tide turned. After an arduous operation, Babu was finally brought to safety with the aid of a rope, emerging triumphant from a perilous journey that echoed the resilience of survival stories like 127 Hours. Unlike the cinematic portrayal, this real-life saga witnessed the heroic efforts of the Indian Army as they successfully rescued Babu from his ordeal. Number 3. Lost tomb with ancient skeletons. A drone's watchful eye has unveiled an incredible archaeological discovery on the holiday haven of Gran Canaria, an ancient tomb harboring the remains of individuals from a lost, pre-Hispanic civilization. The aerial explorer spotted 72 mummified skeletons nestled in a ravine on the island. Among these remains were 62 adult skeletons and 10 newborns, all dating back to the intriguing time span of 800 to 1000 AD. The find has been linked to the Guanche civilization, the original inhabitants of the Canary Islands, who are believed to have migrated from North Africa. These relics provide valuable insights into the burial customs of these prehistoric Hispanic people, as they were found wrapped in traditional burial shrouds woven from natural fibers and animal skin. Overcoming the challenging terrain, the amateur archaeology group El Legato discovered the cave using their drone, capturing images that initially garnered skepticism due to the sheer volume of bones present. This remarkable find, reported to authorities for preservation, offers fresh avenues for research and further studies, enabling historians to delve deeper into the mysterious past of this once thriving civilization. Number 4. Aftermath of a tsunami. Drones, those airborne marvels, do more than just reveal the undiscovered. They also bear witness to the raw might of nature's fury. On that fateful day of September 28, 2018, a seismic tremor measuring 7.5 in magnitude shook the Indonesian island of Sulawesi. Though the quake's physical impact was relatively limited, its aftermath unleashed a small tsunami, which was initially underestimated in force. In Palu, the capital of central Sulawesi province, towering waves surged to over 20 feet, more than twice the anticipated height. The geography of the region, bounded by a slender 20-mile-wide bay, accelerated the tsunami's progression, leaving trails of wreckage in its wake. The bay's narrow expanse amplified the disaster's impact as debris-laden waters cascaded across the land, melding with the brunt of earth-shaking mudslides that added to the devastation. This catastrophe, one of Indonesia's most formidable in over a decade, claimed the lives of more than 4,300 souls. Within days, drone footage unveiled the city's shattered landscape, an aerial panorama of ruins and desolation. Collapsed bridges, homes reduced to fragments, submerged areas. The imagery paints a grim picture of transformation, serving as a stark reminder of the swiftness with which tranquility can give way to chaos. Number 5. Police drone saves missing man. Sometimes it's the power of technology that lends a hand when things take a distressing turn. In a heart-gripping incident, Roy Giblin, an 82-year-old man, found himself disoriented and lost in the tangles of an overgrown field during an evening stroll on June 8, 2021. As the minutes turned to hours, worry gnawed at his family, propelling them to alert the police. The search commenced, involving search and rescue teams, the RNLI, and the National Police Air Service, all determined to find Roy. In a twist that modernity brought to this tale, a police drone joined the effort. With its ability to skim low to the ground and capture detailed images from above, it became the vantage point that helicopters couldn't replicate. Over the course of 18 anxious hours, this unmanned hero located Mr. Giblin in a grassy labyrinth near the train station, as a series of images reveal. His family voiced their profound gratitude for the drone's intervention, acknowledging that without its aid, the odds might have been stacked against their cherished loved one. Number 6. Ghost captured in the woods. Amidst the eerie landscapes of the UK's desolate woods and shadowy forests lies a place that chills the hearts and fuels the imaginations of those who dare venture into its depths. The infamous Cannock Chase. Enveloped in a tapestry of historic legends and spine-tingling tales, it has earned its reputation as one of the most haunted locations in Great Britain. Among the myriad of stories, none can match the bone-chilling encounter with the enigmatic, black-eyed child. The woods have borne witness to unsettling sightings of a young girl, her cries piercing the air, drawing in those who dare to listen. As the intrigued approach, they come upon the girl, her face obscured by her tiny hands. In a chilling twist, she unveils her face, revealing unnaturally dark eyes and an eerie grin, only to vanish without a trace. Back in 2015, YouTuber Furious Otter's drone became an unwitting witness to this eerie phenomenon as it hovered above Cannock Chase. Capturing an ethereal figure in its lens, the footage zoomed in on a pale girl in a white dress with dark hair, eerily embodying the tales of the black-eyed child. Though skeptics questioned the authenticity, accusing the videographer of not getting closer, the lingering unease stirred by the haunting vision remains undeniable. Number 7. Wormhole spotted in a lake. In the age of technology, the line between the extraordinary and the enigmatic can be easily blurred. In 2017, a drone pilot stumbled upon an awe-inspiring sight that left him questioning reality. A mysterious hole right in the heart of California's Lake Berryessa. For a moment, imaginations ran wild, speculating whether it was a gateway to a parallel universe or an otherworldly portal. The footage spread like wildfire, captivating minds across the internet and even earning the moniker Portal to Hell. But with a little research, the truth behind this marvel emerged. The so-called portal was, in fact, the Morning Glory Spillway, ingeniously designed as part of the Monticello Dam. During heavy rains or flooding, it allows excess water to gracefully flow into the spillway, curbing potential flooding and offering a breathtaking spectacle in the process. Though some adventurous spirits might dream of sliding down this watery wonder, reality reins them in. The spillway isn't a playful water slide, but a 200-foot vertical concrete pipe. Attempting to brave it, as proven by history, is not only foolhardy, but also perilous. A swimmer and even a duck felt the force of the spillway's pull, serving as stark reminders of its true nature. As our drone journeys draw to a close, we've soared through the realms of discovery, unearthing hidden wonders and confronting the eerie mysteries that inhabit our world. From the heart-stopping rescue missions to the uncharted landscapes of ancient civilizations and the ghostly encounters that sent shivers down our spines, these drone footage stories have ignited our curiosity and unlocked new dimensions of understanding. Remember, the skies are not just a canvas for flight. They hold the key to unraveling secrets that captivate our minds and fuel our thirst for knowledge. So, until our next airborne exploration, keep your eyes on the horizon and your imaginations soaring high.